In this video, you'll learn how to send a CC email in Gmail. CC stands for carbon copy, and it's a simple but important feature that lets you keep other people in the loop without making them the main recipient of the message. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to add CC recipients confidently and understand when and why to use them. Let's start at the very beginning inside your Gmail account. Once you're signed in and looking at your inbox, the first thing you need to do is start a new message. To do this, look for the Compose button, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. Click Compose, and a new email window will appear, typically in the bottom right area of your browser. This is where you'll write and set up your email. At the top of this new message window, you'll see the To field. This is where you type the email address of the main person or people you're sending the message to. Go ahead and click into the To field and enter the primary recipient's email address. If you're emailing more than one main recipient, you can add multiple email addresses here, separated by commas, or by pressing enter after each one. Now that you've added your main recipient, you're ready to bring in the CC option. Just to the right of the To field, you'll see a small label that says CC. Sometimes it may be slightly faded or in smaller text, but it should be clearly visible next to BCC. Click on CC. When you do this, Gmail will open a new field directly under the To field labeled CC. This CC field is where you add the email addresses of the people you want to copy on the email. These are typically people who should be informed about the conversation, but who are not expected to take the main action. For example, you might email a colleague in the To field and CC your manager so they can see what's being discussed. Click into the CC field and start typing the email address of the person you want to copy. If the address is already saved in your contacts, Gmail may suggest it automatically as you type. You can click on a suggestion to select it, or type the full address and press enter. Add any additional CC recipients the same way, separating each address by pressing enter or using a comma. Once your To and CC fields are set, move down to the subject line and give your email a clear, concise subject so everyone understands what the message is about. Then write your email in the main body area just like you would with any other message. Remember that everyone listed in both the To and CC fields will see the entire message and each other's email addresses, so double check that you're including the right people. Before sending, take a moment to review your recipients. Make sure your main contact is in the To field and anyone who just needs to be kept informed is in the CC field. This small step helps avoid confusion and keeps your communication professional and organized. When everything looks good and your message is ready to go, click the Send button at the bottom of the email window. Gmail will send your message to both the main recipient and everyone you added in CC. That's all there is to it. You've just sent an email in Gmail with CC recipients included, keeping everyone who needs to know in the loop in a clear and organized way.